Alright, we're making this video real quick. We're gonna change the cabin filter, cabin air filter for Ford RAV4 XLE 2018. Let's get to it. So basically what you're gonna do to get access to your cabin air filter in your 2018 Ford RAV4 XLE, and I believe just because I'm trying to be specific with the make and model of the vehicle, it's just because that's the one I'm driving, but I'm pretty sure this is work for pretty much varieties of vehicles out there. So all you have to do right here at the passenger side front, that's your compartment right there. As far as your city compartment, or however you want to call it, you're gonna go ahead and try to pop these clips. Don't break them, just kind of maneuver them. You press this side in, and because I'm doing it with one hand, so that's the reason why it's kind of difficult for me to do it. But anyway, you press this and you press the other end in. If you're using both hands, it'll be easy because you press both hands at the same time. So your filter, and this is your blower, and this is your cabin filter. You pop this little clips in, just be careful you don't break it, and you take that out very easily. Now, the reason why you don't see mine is because I already took mine out. Okay, so just like so, the way it was, and reverse that a little bit. So it was just like so. And then when you're done, you place that back in. Put that in. Then that's it. Then after that, you push that back in there. But make sure that you have a little vacuum, because mine were basically filled with dirt. So I went ahead and cleaned it just a little bit. But if yours need to be replaced, go ahead and replace that. And sometime you might have some, look at it, I have a string of pine straw right in here. So let me just go ahead and see if I can get that. Alright, there you go. Now if you have a blower, you can go ahead, look at that, there's another string in there. So this is basically a blower. So if you spin it, you don't want dirt to get inside that blower because it might damage the blower. Okay, and then plus whatever inside the blower is gonna blow it back inside the vehicle, and you don't want to inhale dust and God knows what else. So once you do that and insert your insert it back just the way you found it. Making sure it's sit where it's supposed to. Just like so. Put that back. Press the sides in. And you're good to go. Alright guys, thank you.